Is it on reverse? It is on reverse. So forward might help. Hi and welcome to this video. Now this is not a video that I would normally do on this channel, it's not car related, but it is something that I'm going to use for a car eventually. But I would say, some of you may find it boring, but I'm doing it anyway, so I thought I'd just record it. It may help some people and some people may enjoy watching this video, so what the hell, I'm going to do it anyway. So, from people that saw from my last video, I have bought a GoPro and I bought a case for it, but in a hurry completely forgot that I ended up buying this case, which is a waterproof case. Obviously, it's good for sticking on the side of the car and things like that, but I'm not really going to be using it in the water when it's wet, so I'm not really too fussed about the case. And with it being waterproof, it's not going to do much for the sound. Now, I've bought an external mic which plugs into the side of this GoPro. Obviously, with this case, I can't use it. So what I plan to do is drill a hole on the side where the connections are so the cable can go through, and obviously take this front off the lens because you don't really need that. It can, not always, but it may cause a haze on the photo, and as I say, I'm not really going to be using it when it's wet, so that can come off as well. So yeah, also there's two sound mics, there's one on the side and one on the top, so I'm making a hole for that as well. As I say, it's not normal content, but you may enjoy. So yeah, let's make a start. So to start off with, I'm going to take this front off. I've had a quick look and there's 4 screws holding this front off. Screaming cats outside if you can hear that. So I'm going to move this front, take the lens off, and then I'm going to try and mark up and see where this these connections line up. So I've just taken there's 4 screws inside when I had a quick look. Maybe you can see. But yeah, I've taken those out and this has just literally popped off. So that's the front removed. So that was nice and easy. Okay, so what I need to do now is put the GoPro back in and find where windy as well, and find out where the connections line up and basically drill it. So I reckon when the GoPro sat in, this would make it a lot easier if it was transparent, if you got the clear one, but I thought it'd look nicer getting the black, which obviously made this a lot more difficult. So, but we'll just see and hope. So if I mark this out, I'll say okay, you might not be able to see, dark, but I've made there you go, a mark on the side, and that's where I'm going to drill. Okay, so this is where health and safety go out the window. So I've got a drill, the drill bit, and I'm just going to have a go drilling this. Hopefully it doesn't crack. We'll see. It's on the hammer. Right here. Is it on reverse? It is on reverse. So forward might help. Okay, so you can see I've just done a few holes. Okay, so next I've got this little, it's actually a metal bit, but it should work on plastic quite well. We'll use this drill bit to make the holes a bit bigger. I should be able to go sideways and join up the dots, so to speak. So let's see how it goes. As you can see now, I've got little bit of a hole. So let's see how this lines up. Okay, so I don't know if you can see or not, but as you can see on there, I'm just a little bit short, so I just need to go a bit higher top and bottom. Now of course if you had a proper Dremel hand bit and not a big drill, it would be a little bit neater, or a vice might help, but I don't actually have one, so it's a bit of a budget. Okay, so if we try it again, obviously you need to get rid of all this dust when we're done, but there we go, perfect. Bit of a bodge job, but I'm going to tidy all this afterwards, get a little file on it. So right, that's the cable. For now we need to do the mics. So if we just check where one of the mics is. Okay, so straight above it. So may as well just make this side bit a lot bigger. Okay, so I'm absolutely covered in white bits at the moment, but hopefully this is enough for the this corner. Okay, so as you can see on that side now, we've got the room for the jack and the HDMI, and we can also see the mic on the side. Okay, so what I need to do now is there's another mic on this top bit. I need to do a little small hole for that as well. So for this top mic, I think I'm going to go just right on that top corner there and see where that lines up. Yeah, I don't know if you can see on that, try and get light on it, but you can, or I can, just about see the two mic holes. So there we go. So I'll just give this case a good clean up. Okay, so I just gave it a quick clean up. So I'll put the GoPro in. Put it back on. A few bits. And there we go. Got the side door for the mic. As I say, I haven't got a mic yet, but when I do have, that'll be plugged into there. So for now, I can use this, the onboard mic, which isn't too bad to be fair. So what I'll do now is jump onto this GoPro and hopefully it should sound a lot better. Okay, so I'm now now joining me with the GoPro. Hopefully you may see a difference in quality, but more importantly, you should now be able to hear me. It shouldn't be all muffled, so to speak, as I would have been with no sound holes. So as I say, this video might not be for everyone that's on this channel. I know it's something a little bit different, but as I wanted to do it anyway, I thought why not record it. Some people may enjoy it. So I hope you found it useful, interesting. For those that have found this video, you're looking for GoPro stuff. Again, I hope you found it somewhat useful if you decide to do it yourself. Again, it's not a waterproof case, but it does give it that bit of protection, in case it does drop or anything like that. So yeah, I say I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to share, like, subscribe. You know it by now, and I'll see you in the next video where hopefully I will sort out the garage light because it is dark in here. Should make things a little bit better.